I've just unboxed a new Lenovo Tab 1 tablet, and today I'm going to show you how to set it up in just a few minutes. The first thing I did was make sure the tablet was fully charged up, and now I just powered it on. At the welcome screen, I've confirmed the language, so I'll tap on the start button and agree to the terms. The first thing the tablet is going to do is set up your Wi Fi connection. It already detects some Wi Fi networks, so I'll just go ahead and find my home Wi Fi and enter my password. Okay, so the next part of the setup is to tell the tablet whether you want to copy your existing apps and data from another device you already have. You can choose to not copy and start fresh with the tablet, but for me, I want to have all the same apps, photos, and contacts from my phone copied over to this tablet. So after tapping next, we'll need to get my other device talking to this tablet either through a USB cable or wirelessly. I've got the Google app launched here on my phone, and now I'm going to tell it to set up my device. At the Getting Started screen, I'll click Next, and now it's asking me to confirm that I see the same shapes displayed on my new tablet. Once I tap Next on my phone, the two devices will try to connect with each other to start the copy process. I'll need to enter my phone password to verify it's really me, and then the copy process will begin. You actually get to select what you want to copy: your apps, your call history, contacts, photos, videos, audio files, and device settings. Anything you don't want to copy over to your tablet, you just unselect the item. While the copy process happens in the background, it will take you through a few more screens so you can confirm various settings on your tablet. You'll also be prompted to enter a password for your tablet. Select what displays on your locked screen, including password protection, configure location services, option to enable automatic software updates, option for automatic backups, syncing your contacts to the cloud, and even enabling Google Assistant, including enabling the ability for it to recognize your voice for when you greet it. At the end of the setup, it will show you the status of the copy process. If you have a lot of apps and data to copy over, it may take a bit longer to complete, but when it's done, the screen will be updated to say copying's done. Click Next and it will do a final sync with your other device, and then that's it. Your new tablet one is set up now and ready for use. Just a quick note though that if you copied over a lot of apps, there's a good chance that they will continue to install in the background like mine is. Just let all the apps install in the background while you start using your tablet. How easy was that?